There is a promise you keep making to yourself, and deep down, you already know how the story ends. Tomorrow, I'll wake up earlier. I'll stop wasting time. I'll finally become someone I can be proud of. And the strange thing is, when you say it, you mean every word. Tonight, you believe in yourself. You can almost see the person you're about to become. Then, morning comes. And somehow, the promise that felt powerful last night feels impossibly heavy now. "10 more minutes," you whisper. Just 10 minutes. As if you've never heard that lie before. No, it's 5. What? How is it already 5? Then 30 minutes disappear. You need to fulfill this promise to yourself. And for a second, you don't know what hurts more. Breaking the promise. Or knowing. Hinner Tolkien crashing out. You did it to yourself again. Nobody saw you fail. Nobody is angry with you. But you know what? That notebook holds the key to everything. And maybe this isn't the first time. Maybe you've been breaking promises to yourself for months. Maybe for years. So why do you keep doing this? To the one person you can never escape. Maybe the problem isn't that you can't keep promises. Maybe the problem is the promises you keep making. Wake up at 5, exercise every day, read 50 pages, work harder, stop procrastinating, never waste another minute. One promise isn't enough for you. You try to rebuild your entire life before you go to sleep. Then you hand that impossible plan to the tired version of you. The distracted version of you. The version with pressure, problems, emotions, and a real life you forgot to put in the plan. So the promise breaks. And instead of questioning the promise, you question yourself. I'm lazy. I have no discipline. I never finish anything. Say those words enough times. And eventually, Your mind stops arguing. It starts believing you. The next time you say, "Tomorrow I'll start," remember the power of now. You knew this already. No, you won't. That's the real price of a broken promise. It isn't the missed workout. It isn't the unread book. The real cost is trust. Think about someone who lies to you again and again. They promise one thing, and then I opened another page that I had abandoned. And then I do another. Again. And again. Eventually,
I just three pinchard rejästa.
their words mean nothing to you. Now ask yourself, this isn't about shame. Shame won't rebuild you. Evidence will. So stop promising yourself 10 things. Choose one. Then make it smaller. Action. Smaller than your ego likes. Small enough that even the tired version of you can keep it. Don't promise to become a perfect morning person. Promise to stand up when the alarm rings. Open to one short reading commitment. Don't promise to read 50 pages. Promise yourself 5 minutes. Don't promise to never waste time again. Give yourself 20 focused minutes. Then, keep your word. Not because one tiny action will change your life overnight, but because you're teaching yourself something you've forgotten. My words still mean something. Do it again tomorrow. Then return the next day. Every promise you keep becomes evidence. Evidence that maybe you can trust yourself again. And yes, one day, you'll break one. When that happens, don't turn one bad day into another reason to hate yourself. Just return. Tomorrow morning, keep one small promise, not for your body, not for your productivity, but for the part of you that needs proof. Your words should mean something to you. Keep one promise, rebuild the trust, and day by day, rebuild yourself.